Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a new text template in the CapCut Mobile. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new update on CapCut where you can create your own text template, and here I'm going to show you how you can do that. Click on the text at the bottom, then go to the text template, and in here you'll find the AI button. Click on this. So by using this, you can generate text template by using the simple prompt. So here I'm going to add it. So just write your text, the text that you want to create, and after that, here this is the bottom is describe the text effect you want to generate. So here you need to add the prompt, the text effect. I'm going to write water. Now just click on generate and wait for CapCut to generate the text. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is the result. And here you can regenerate, you can edit the text, but if you like with the result, just click on add. Now go to the AI text. Oops. And click on the text and it will be added to your videos. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.